Yesterday I booked a clean for today for $850, and when we got to the property we ended up upcharging and we just made $1,200 today. Stick around so you guys can see exactly what happened. What's up guys? Today we have 3 vehicles. 2 of the vehicles are high-end luxury Mercedes and the other one is a Porsche. We took a look at the property that we're going to, and this house is a $3 million house. So we want to make sure that we give the most professional luxury service that we can today, so this customer can potentially refer us to other friends and family members around the area, because at the end of the day we don't want to work on low-level clients. We want to work with high-level clients that don't mind paying the big dollars for us to maintain and manicure their vehicles. We're about 5 minutes away, so stick around so you can see exactly what an $850 day looks like in our brand new mobile detailing business. All right, we're pulling up to the gate. She gave them my name, so I just have to stop here and give them my ID. Where we live at in our area, there's a lot of private communities. You have to get access through the gate, and most of the time the homeowners just call up there ahead of time and they give the gate our name and we're able to go through the gate that way. Other places, like there's an area called Sun City, you actually have to buy a pass, which will be like $50 to $100, but you can save money by just having your customer call the front gate and let them know your name, so you can just go right through VIP and you're good. So if you were wondering what a multi-million-dollar house in South Carolina up on the coast looks like, check these out. These cars are so nice. I think the Mercedes AMG, I think that's what it is right here. This one, it's like a sports car. Man, this thing is a beauty. And then looking at all of the vehicles, I see they have 2 other, there's just a Mazda and an Audi over there, but the 3 that we're gonna be cleaning is right behind us. So all right, let's go ahead. We're gonna meet with the customer, gonna knock on the door. A lot of times they're already coming out, but if not, we'll knock on the door, introduce ourselves, and just have them show us around the vehicles so we can, you know, see what we're working with. And then I always ask if there's any specific areas that they want us to hit, so I know what they're looking for. Most of the time I say, hey, we're pretty detailed, we're gonna hit top to bottom, inside and out, if it's a full detail, so you don't have to worry. But is there any specific areas you really want us to nail? So this is a huge reason why I wanted to start this business, is because of these types of vehicles. Being able to clean high-end luxury vehicles over $100,000 is like, it's a cool experience to do. I'm gonna move the Mercedes up, back our car in, just so we can connect to the hose and the electric, and kind of, it'll be a lot easier to work on all 3 vehicles. I think it should just go in.
It said push to start.
Oh.
Oh no! So it turns out that there is some mold in here. And she wasn't aware of this because they just had the car shipped back to them. So she said we can upcharge her for it, and we don't really know what we should be charging.
Pulling the mats out. Ones right here will also have to clean.
All right, so I have been steam cleaning the leather and interior, and it's coming up pretty nicely. All the mold is coming up pretty nicely. The steam cleaner kills all the mold spores and it sanitizes everything, so that's good that we had it on hand. We weren't aware that we would have to have a car with mold today. The only thing is we don't have any masks or anything like that. We're using our gloves, so you know, we're doing the best we can. We're definitely going to upcharge for the mold.
Oh no!
Sometimes when you're dealing with vehicles, the seat doesn't go down, and you're like, oh no, what do I do? There's little secrets about vehicles like this. There's a little lever over here. I pull it, the seat comes up, right? So you have to pay attention and kind of investigate every single vehicle you're doing to make sure you're getting all these details. Because the car owner knows about this, and if they're inspecting the car and they lift this up and they see this, they're gonna think you did a bad job. So make sure you're detailed and you find every little crack in every little corner and make sure you hit it good. I'm on the last tire and rim, almost done. Just got to finish detailing and spray it off. Insides are all complete, so we'll go ahead and foam everything down, rinse it, then foam it again, wash it, and dry and wax, and we'll be out of here. So far it's been over 7 hours we've been here, trying to get as much content as we can, but I don't want to take too much time because we're at, you know, a customer's house and we don't want to be here until midnight. Earlier, about an hour in, maybe 2, it started raining, so we pulled the vehicles in the garage for a little bit and stopped recording at that time because, you know, we just wanted to hurry up and get done. Now we pulled them back out. Still a little cloudy, but now we're just hitting this stuff, and yeah, we're almost, like I said, we're almost done out of here. Just got to get the outside of all 3 vehicles. All the rims and the tires are done. Rinse this off and we'll go ahead and start washing. right, guys, I'm back home with the wife. It's now just after 7 o'clock, and man, I am drained. I am dead, I am beat. But I'm so happy because it's supposed to be an $850 day, and for a couple more hours, it turned into a $1,200 day. And if you want days like that, then you're gonna have to pull your big pants up and get to work. Because that's what it's about. It's about working when you don't want to work. Doing the things you have to do so you can live the life in the future that you want to live. And that, for me, that's turning an $850 day into a $1,200 day. Guys, pray for my wife because she ended up taking the vehicle that had the mold from the start, okay? I went over to the AMG and just knocked that out because, you know how it is, guys. But she killed it. This thing looked like brand new. And we didn't just clean the surface. We went in the seats and cleaned inside, lifted things up, and we let the customer know that mold can grow and it can come back. We're detailers. We're not mold experts by any means. And we'll try our hardest, but at the end of the day, just because we clean it does not mean it will not grow back. So, you know, if you want it completely gone, you're gonna have to call a mold expert, but they didn't care. I upcharged them $299 for this, for just cleaning it. We made it look really good, okay? And I say we, but it was really my wife. I just vacuumed that car. Overall, it was a great day. I'm super happy. It was our best day before this was like $600. And we just doubled that, just like that. It was supposed to be $850, boom. Now it was $1,200. And the customers, they were so happy and so pleased with the work we did. They said they were gonna leave a review and we're gonna send them photos. Send them all the links right now. I think actually my wife already did it on the way over here. So we're doing really good with our reviews too. I think we had 13 right now and we're 6 weeks in. The older customers, they're so sweet. They post it on their personal page and they sometimes they don't even tag us. And you know, when that happens, we're still super grateful. And you know, we let them know, hey, thank you for posting this on your page, but if you could copy it and paste it at this link, that would be so helpful. But some of them still don't do it, and that's okay. When I was doing the research today on the mold pricing and everything, it said, you know, if you take it into a detail shop or a mold expert, detailers usually just kick it back and they don't want to deal with it because it's a pain. The pricing was $500 to $1,000+. We ended up charging $299, and I think that was well worth it for just that because they did not let us know about the mold. We probably would have turned it down if they did tell us, or we would have prepared more and brought different chemicals and brought masks and safety stuff. You have to be very cautious when dealing with mold. The total for everything was $1,100 and like, I don't know, $28 or something like that. They ended up giving us $1,200, so we got like a $50, $60, $70 tip. I don't know exactly, but that was really cool. And guys, that is a prime example of the customers you want to serve versus the customers who you don't really want to serve. I get it. You know, when you're first starting out, you just want jobs. I get that. Now that we're kind of rolling into things and we're getting, you know, a job every day or multiple jobs a day, how I'm looking at it is, okay, I want the higher end luxury type clients, type customers. Guys, comment below if you have any tips with dealing with mold in a vehicle, because like I said, this was our first time doing mold in a vehicle. 3 beautiful cars that were very dirty, and now they're very clean. Customers were happy. We are happy. That's how you run a service-based business. Everyone's happy at the end of the day when you charge properly. Guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you who watch my videos, and leave a comment. Let me know where you're at in your business down below. Let me know of any other video that you guys would like to see. That's it for this video, guys. $1,200 day. Let's see if we can beat it in the next video.